Hey, good morning, Central Florida. It's Harry Bing here. Trying to give you an update. Let's talk for just a brief few minutes this morning about credit and credit scores. Your credit scores composed of a couple of major components. Number one is your payment history, okay? Not too much you can do about that really quick because why? That's history, okay? Now, the one you can move on quickly, and by the way, that payment history is about 35% by most scoring models. The next one is your credit utilization, or the level of your debt to credit utilization. And that accounts for about 30% of your score. Now, most of the experts will say you need to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Now, there is no actual 30% rule, but the guideline is, and when you look at the numbers and the reporting, is that once you go above 30% utilization on your credit card, it's going to start dragging your score down or keep your score from going up. But let me give you an example. Say, for instance, you have $1,000 limit on your card and you use $150 a month, pay it off every month. Hey, you're in great shape. You're in great shape. Suppose you use it and pay it off every month, but you never ever go. Some people might pay it off every month. They max it out, pay it off every month. Yeah, that's going to work out okay, but it's not going to help your scores to go up because you're utilizing too much of the card. In your case, since you're paying it off every month and the company can see that, they'll probably increase your limit. That'll help your utilization score. But for instance, like you got $1,000 on a card, you should never go over 300 on that card, particularly when you're trying to work it to get your scores up to get a financing for a mortgage. And a lot of people go out and get secured cards and they get a $200 secured card. I just think that's worthless. I really do. I think that you need to get at least a secured card of about $500, so you can at least spend up to about $150 every month on that card. Now here's the critical part that I think most people forget when it comes to using the credit card. Use the credit card to pay off your normal debts. Don't go out making new credit. Use it to pay off your normal debts. So, for instance, like you got a phone bill you got to pay every month. Okay? Some of you have to pay your car insurance every month. Okay? You might have to pay your utility bill every month. Things that you normally going to have to pay every month. That's what you use your credit cards for. You don't use your credit cards to go out and make debt, because that's not going to help you. What you want to do is you want to use the card and then pay them right off. Why? Because you have the money to provide for those normal debts on a monthly basis anyway. You know every month you're going to be putting gas in your car, so use it. You know you're going to be paying for your credit card bill, your cable bill, your Netflix, so use it, but pay it off. Now, a further key to do is to pay it off every pay period. That's right. Pay it off. Where does the rule come? You got to wait once a month. Pay it off every pay period, and you're going to see a bigger and a quicker increase in your credit score. Why? Because AI is never going to have a chance to calculate you being above your 30% number, but you're using the card, and eventually they're going to say they're just using the card out of convenience. That's what the algorithm is going to show. Now, you can speak to some people and they can give you more insight. Some people might say 40% is the limit. But I found out over the years and over reading and doing Google searches and everything and teaching classes and listening to the experts that they bring in, 30% is the magic number, people. So if you don't have a secure card, you can call me at 407-654-2626. That's 407-654-2626. And I'll recommend a secure card to you that has no fee. Most of them are going to charge you anywhere from a $35 to $75 fee just to get a secure card. Well, I have a company that will give you one that's actually no fee. The other thing is that you want to make sure it's reported to all 3 credit bureaus. The major credit bureaus, they get it every month. You want to make sure that that happens also. So if you do that, make sure you don't have any late payments. That's your payment history. Work on your credit card utilization. Now, for those people who's saving money, you got $7,000 saved up, $10,000 saved up, $12,000 saved up to help you buy your house. And then your credit cards are maxed out. That makes no sense at all. Go ahead and pay the credit card on down. At least get it down below the 30% so your scores can go up. Because the higher your scores, the less your PMI is going to be, and the more down payment assistance programs are going to be available to you. And don't fall for the okie doke. Programs are available well into the $300,000 range. Okay, you just got to know which program to go with and which lender to use. Of course, I'm the realtor to use because I keep track of all of these programs. So this is Harry Bing, just talking with you about the credit utilization, just a little chat. And I hope that this helps you a little bit. If you have any questions, hey, give us a call at 407-654-2626. Or visit us at our website at realestatecentralflorida.com. That's realestatecentralflorida.com. Have a great Friday and a fabulous weekend.